Hello subscribers, this is your Johnny. Today I'm located in front of the O2 Arena, which is an ice hockey stadium, concert stadium and arena for everything. But the reason why I'm here is this newly renovated metro station Českomoravská, and I want to show you how this building was rebuilt for much simpler, much better, much nicer 80s style building. This is line B, Českomoravská. So before we go in, I want to show you the name of my e-shop, where you can buy joy, things that makes everyone happy, good for birthdays, name days, when you feel good or when you just want to feel good, and t-shirts. Okie dokie, let's go inside and let's take a look. Ticket machines, nice girls, advertising, maps, drinks, hot drinks, cold drinks, very nice, looks much better. It's renovated in 80s style with modern materials. It's already 6:31 p.m. This is timetables, and this is the original art and the original ceramic panels. Once again, take a look. Looks really good. And now let's go down. It's much more light here, and what I really like is that they preserved the 1980s art on the wall. In that time, each structure was given up to 2% from the whole budget for an art in every transportation, construction, or every building, office building, etc., etc. As you can see, it looks good. Everything is shining new. This is the station. New black-white boards, and what I really want to show you is some new things. Is this type of information, which direction to go. It's nicknamed the thermometers. These big trash cans. This board. And I want to focus on this. This is really new. This is a glass, handmade, with millions of bubbles inside. This is a real air in the glass, and it looks fantastic. It's clean. It's very well lit up, and you can still smell that it is new. In 4 days, in March 24th, starts the international ice skating festival. So it's ready for all the visitors. So it starts in 4 days from now, and I'm sure that everybody will be happy to see how fantastic renovation was done here. You can see that also the glass with the bubbles is newly on the side of the tunnel. This is the name of the station, Českomoravská. It's facing to 19th century Českomoravská company that was having its factories around here. Company Kolben and company Daněk, and started under the name HUGE, one of the best and greatest machinery companies in the world. Okay, let's take a look. Okie dokie, this is all from me, your Johnny. See you in the next video.